Bang Bang chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 500 calories and 45 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. I've been losing weight faster than usual lately, and it has a lot to do with my diet. I used to just count calories and avoid all fats, which is kind of insane because there's so many fats that are actually really good for you. And one of the easiest ways for me to get that is through Chosen Foods avocado oil. I can add this to my salads and to my sandwiches, and pretty much anything I'm making. It's a neutral oil, so cooking with it is a good choice because it doesn't add unwanted flavor. And I choose Chosen Foods because they use 100% pure avocado oil. And just to get back to this recipe, this Bang Bang chicken came out insanely good. You can find the full breakdown in the description. And coming in at 500 calories and 45 grams of protein, I could eat this one. Honey butter chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try this one. And coming in at 600 calories and 30 grams of protein, I could eat this one every day. It's no mystery, air fryers have been a big part of how I've been losing weight. And I recently just picked up a new air fryer, the Instapot Vortex Plus. This has been an awesome upgrade. It's a 6-in-1. Air fryer, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Dehydrate is a huge function that I can't wait to try. I love showing you products that I genuinely love, and I've been using an Instapot pressure cooker for years, and that thing's still going strong. So it feels good to know I'm getting that same dependability from an air fryer. And just to get back to this, you can popcorn chicken is so good, you're gonna have to try these. And coming in at 500 calories and 90 grams of protein, I could eat these every day. This is a perfect snack when you're losing weight. I love these. You can eat a ton of them. And I was trying to think of a name for these. I wanted to call it Gold Fever popcorn chicken, but I'm thinking maybe Golden Nuggets makes more sense. Either way, these are really good, and I know you're gonna love them. I could eat these every day.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. She asked for it.